Wicked Whips. So I already recorded this video yesterday, but it ended up being recorded in portrait mode and not in landscape, so I wanted to just redo it for you guys. And to show that yesterday morning, got up, went to the gym, everything was cool. I had to stop off after the gym, stop off at an auto parts store to get a necessary part. The part was vital in a video that I'm doing because I will be doing a giveaway, and on Instagram I'll be doing a giveaway, and the video will help whomever wins is going to help them with the install of whatever I'm giving away. And when I got to the auto parts store, I'm backing in, I'm trying to straighten up the car, and all of a sudden I just hear a bump, and I freaking tapped the curb.
Hey, yes, I'm gonna need two plastic for 2186. Copy me.
Jose, I just freaking hit the curb with my wheel, bro.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Shit. God damn it, I just hit a goddamn curb with my wheel. My stomach just turned because I already know some bullshit already happened. I got out, and even though it was a little tap, the lip on my Verde wheels are pronounced, so if my tire bumped that curb, most likely my rim, the lip on the rim hit it. And I was like, dang. And what do I see? The curb protrudes a bit. That's the way they designed it for some ridiculous reason. So whoever's in that end stall, you literally have to really go out to make a right. They just made it like a bunch of jackasses. But anyway, so needless to say, I was freaking just irate and just pissed off, because anybody who knows me, they know if I own, it could be my car, my house, whatever I own, it could be how big or small, you know, something like that gets damaged or whatnot, it's almost like you're affecting me. And I'm sure you guys, some of you guys are the same way with whatever you are, you know, you own. And that was upsetting, but I ended up contacting a good dude. He owns a mobile rim repair business. His name is Paul, and his business is Real Magic. So today is Sunday. He is on his way to my house as we speak, because he did some work for me prior to this, and it came out freaking flawless. So I will show you guys now a clip of just the damage of the wheels. And, you know, I might be, you know, all smiles today or just in a better mood, but yesterday I was freaking pissed, you know. And let me show you guys a clip of the wheels real quick, and hopefully, I don't know if he's going to let me record, but we'll see. We'll see. See you guys soon. This is the view with the light off. Took a bit of chunk out of that lip, man. Should have me tight. But the biggest thing is I got a hold of this dude because he's really hard to get a hold of because he works alone, so he's super backed up. So this dude is on his way to my house right now. Can't get better than that, man. Mobile. So I'll show you some clips of the process. Oh shoot, here he comes. He's coming right in. Alright guys, this is Paul right here from Real Magic. Paul, good to see you. Guys, as I said, really good dude. The guy showed up. That's all I cared about, because let me tell you, he's a freaking busy guy. This all the magic is done in there, and we'll show you clips of that soon. And right now he's about to take the wheel off of the Hulk real quick and get this party started. So I'll just show you a quick time lapse of all of that stuff real quick. Alright guys, so we're going up in the truck real quick. This is where all the magic happens. I'm obviously not going to show you guys the process. The man has a secret to good work. I'll just show you guys a time lapse of what is going to happen, and you'll see it for yourself. Alright guys, he just powered up the turbine. This is the freaking damage. God damn. Shit. Alright, it's about to look as good as new. See you in a second. Alright guys, this is literally like 5 minutes in. We're almost finished already. Well, he's almost finished already. I just want to show you guys real quick This is literally, you already worked out the angles and the corners and everything. I know you can't see it. It just looks like a really shiny mark here real quick. But I'm telling you right now, the angles is already finished. And he's about to do his final touches on it. I'm not going to show you what it is. That's the man's secret. So parental advisory, guys. Parental advisory. Drop his information in my description. Anybody in, obviously, guys, he's in Long Island. What is it, Amityville, Paul?
Manaville now.
Oh, Manaville now? All right, so, yeah, he's close to me, but I'm pretty sure. Where do you do? Like, all of Suffolk, Nassau? Like, where do you go?
Usually in Suffolk.
Suffolk County? All right, guys, so Suffolk County, I'll definitely drop his info in the description, and let's get finished with this wheel. As soon as we finished up that shot, he had to leave due to a family emergency, but he came back the next day, and he finished up the process. So here we go. Damn. Nice. Looks great. Finished product. Like new, guys. Like new. Alright, people. Look at this shit real quick. That's the finished product. Shit is like good as new. That's the man right there. Paul. Wheel Magic. Shit is freaking dope. Freaking dope. I'll leave his, as I said, I'll leave his information in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this shit. I'll see you guys soon.